Today we're making a strawberry wine cocktail. Come on in, welcome to my home. Today we are having a lot of fun because we are using two of our things that we've already made before. We are using our strawberry infused vodka. If you want to learn how to make strawberry infused vodka, just click that eye in the sky. It'll teach you how to make strawberry infused vodka. And we are also using our sweet vodka. Once again, if you want to learn how to make sweet vodka, click that eye in the sky. It'll teach you how to make sweet vodka. This is really easy to make. We're going to use half a cup of our strawberry vodka. I am using a strainer so that I can put the strawberries back that I don't use. There we go. And then to that I'm going to add half a cup of our sweet vodka. Now here's the fun part. You can use whatever wine you like. So we're going to pour our wine into the glass, into a jar, and then our vodka mixture into the jar. Give it a swirl, and now it's ready to drink. You can garnish this however you like, but let's give it a taste. That's nice. It's mild. You can taste the strawberry, the vodka. So this is a fortified wine. It is so good. It has it's just an amazing thing, which if you want to garnish this with things like mint, extra strawberries, pineapple, whatever you wanted to add to this as a garnish, you could. But this is so good, so easy to make, and we've made most of the ingredients except for the wine. Haven't made wine yet. Now, if you're interested in me making wine, let me know down in the comments and we could start making some wine. But I hope you do make this. If you do, let me know. You can get a hold of me on most social media at cmcolemanhome. And I hope I get to see you again next time. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You can share it. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the other videos on this channel. I love making these videos for you and I hope I get to see you again next time.